Today is not an ordinary day for the province of Davao de Oro. Today, we are making history. For the first time, a sitting president of the Republic of the Philippines visits our provincial capital. A moment that will forever be remembered in the history of our province. And today, Your Excellency, your presence here with us at the provincial capital makes this visit even more meaningful because you come not only to visit but to bring direct assistance to our barangays and our people. Mr. President, on behalf of the entire province of Davao de Oro, daghang salamat. Your visit is a powerful message that the national government sees Davao de Oro. Nakikita niyo po ang Davao de Oro, naririnig niyo po ang Davao de Oro, and stands with Davao de Oro. For me personally, this day is deeply humbling. I began my journey in public service as a barangay captain. I know the needs of the barangay. I know how important even the smallest government assistance can be for families, students, farmers, workers, and communities. And now, in my first term and first year as Governor of Davao de Oro, I am deeply honored that the President of the Republic has come to our province. This is not only a milestone in my administration. This is a milestone for every barangay, every community, and every Davaoeño who believes that progress must reach the grassroots. We gather today for a program that carries a very powerful message. Bawat barangay makikinabang. For us in Davao de Oro, this is not just a slogan. This is a promise of inclusive progress. This means that development will not remain only in the centers of government. It will reach out to barangays, our students, our families, and our people who need government support the most. Through the presidential assistance to barangays under the Socio-Civic Projects Fund, every barangay will receive a total allocation of 200,000 pesos. Of this amount, 100,000 pesos will support the Bagong Pilipinas Barangay Scholars, giving 5 deserving beneficiary of 20,000 each for every barangay. Another 100,000 will support the barangay identified development priorities. This assistance is very important because it addresses two things that are close to the heart of every community: education and local development. To our young scholars, this program is for you. The assistance you will receive is not only financial support. It is a vote of confidence in your future. Mr. President, we are also deeply grateful for your visit to Monte Vista Hospital. Ako lang ibalita sa inyo hatanan, gitunol sa atong presidente ang more than 147 million for medical equipment. With humility and hope, we respectfully ask for your assistance in making Monte Vista Hospital bigger, better, and more capable of serving our people.